Alrighty, folks, another day is officially in the books for Palantir stock. And let me tell you, man, even though we hit a fresh high this morning, this stock was very, very volatile today. We got some news that we have to break down, and we'll go over what analysts are saying about Palantir stock right now. So guys, run the likes up, make sure to subscribe, and you might as well get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which guys, that's a no-brainer. So again, use that link or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo, and let's dive right into the video. So this morning, Palantir stock hit $35.20. So we cracked over $35 per share for the first time in, I think, 3.5 years, maybe 4 years at this point, guys. And this is remarkable considering we've been exploding over the last couple of days. So even with the big move after the S&P 500 inclusion, we shot up even more, taking out the highs from yesterday. I think yesterday we peaked out at about $34.60, 70 cents, right in that ballpark. So we took out that high today. And after we did that, which happened in the morning, by the way, we've been chopping around like no other, from around 35.20 down to about 33.75, up to 34.50. Now we're actually selling off a good chunk in the aftermarket. We closed at 34.75. Now we're at 34.10 in the aftermarket, guys. So we're down about 2%. So in my opinion, what we're noticing right now is pretty much consolidation, right, over the last 2 days of trading, right? We popped up over $33.50 to $34, which you guys know was a big resistance a couple years ago. We broke out of it, and now we're holding that point as support. Let me pull this max chart up and show you guys so you remember back in November of 2020, we peaked at 33.40, 33.50, right in that ballpark. So we broke out of it. Now we're pulling back, holding it as support. So this is a very good sign that overall Palantir doesn't want to just settle here in the low mid 30s. It wants to go to the high 30s, dare I say, back to $40 per share. And there's torrential downpour outside right now, guys. Unbelievable. You can't hear it probably through this mic, but it is raining like no other right now. Cats and freaking dogs right now where I'm at, guys. But yeah, Palantir, again, all over the place today. Now we're seeing a bit of a dump off in the aftermarket, and I believe Bank of America Securities maintains a buy rating, on Palantir, and they raised their price target to $50 per share from $30. So we got a huge spike in the price target from B of A Securities, right? And Palantir chairman Peter Thiel is looking to sell up to $1 billion of the stock, which I do want to talk a little bit more about here in this video, guys. Let me actually transition over to the Safari tab. Bear with me here. By the way, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube, guys. I think 50% of you all watch the videos, but for some reason, you're not subscribed. So if that's you, make sure to do that. So yeah, right here you can see Palantir chairman Peter Thiel has filed to sell up to $1 billion in stock, according to a report. So Peter Thiel, the renowned venture capitalist and chairman of Palantir Technologies, has filed to sell up to $1 billion worth of Palantir shares, according to Barron's. And Thiel, who initially made the disclosure in August via his investment vehicle, Rivendell 7 LLC, has not yet sold, so keep that in mind, has not yet sold any Palantir shares via the Rule 10b5-1 plan that has been put forth into place. Rivendell 7 LLC adopted a Rule 10b5-1 plan on May 15th that would allow for the sale of approximately 28.6 million shares of Palantir by December 31st, 2025 at the latest per the filing. And Teal, which you guys probably remember, last sold Palantir stock just before the 10b5-1 plan was put into place, when he sold 13 million shares for an aggregate price or an aggregate value of around $273 million, which you guys probably remember. We covered that, and I just mentioned this right here, but I'll say it again. Bank of America raised their price target on the enterprise software company Palantir to $50 from $30 after it was included in the S&P 500, an event that the investment bank called a watershed moment for Palantir, which of course we've covered this. This is big news overall for the stock here. So we are seeing some volatility. Teal's looking to sell up to $1 billion in stock. We'll see how that plays out, which I understand. I mean, I get it. The guy is up a ton on his position. He already sold, $250 million, dollars recently here. So what do you guys make of that? I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of that per se, but that's kind of what we're seeing right here, and we'll see how it unfolds. Of course, I will continue to cover this as it does unfold here on the YouTube channel. But either way, guys, the evidence, or not the evidence, but the proof is in the pudding, right? We're looking pretty decent on the charts. Yes, we are selling off now after the bell, so we'll see how this materializes heading into tomorrow and the rest of the week. But we are looking pretty good on the charts here overall. And the fact that we cracked over $35 per share today gives me a ton of confidence that whether Peter Thiel sells or does this or that, whatever, this is headed to $40 per share. Maybe not this year, maybe not over the next 6 months even, I don't know. But at some point, $40 per share is coming for PLTR. I'm confident. I'm confident in that, and I've been holding it for quite some time. And like I said before in this video, $33.50, the high from November of 2020 broke. Next main gap to fill now is $38.39. We're looking pretty good, guys. And after that, $40 per share. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always, about Teal, Palantir, what you're looking to do. I'm not selling, of course. I'm holding on. I'm not buying either, but I'm holding on to my existing position. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked down below, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo and join the mailing list if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks for free every single Monday. That's linked down below as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.